Welcome to WebStarPress. A ticket tool allows your Discord server users to create support tickets in order to get support from you. To add a ticket bot for Discord, follow this guide. First, you need a server in Discord to create a ticket system. So go to your Discord server, click server name at the top left, and select Create Category. Let's name it Support. It will help in better organization of support tickets. In this category, create a new read-only channel. To do that, click plus icon in front of category name. Select text. Let's name it New Ticket. Click Create Channel. Click gear icon to go to channel settings. Click Permissions. Scroll down. Disable Send Messages. Click Save Changes. It will disallow server users to send random messages in this channel. After that, press Escape icon. Then create a logs channel for admins to access in the same category. This channel will show logs to admins created by ticket system. Click Create Channel button. In front of logs, click gear icon. Select Permissions. Select Private Channel. And here we can add members who can access this channel. After that, click Save Changes button. Press Escape. Then you need to have roles in this server. To do that, go to Server Settings. Select Roles. Create Role. Type role name. Click Save Changes. Go to Permission. Scroll all the way down. Toggle Administrator button. Press Save Changes. So this is an admin role. Press Escape. Now go back to Settings for the Logs channel. Go to Permissions. As you can see, admin has been added here. You can also add moderators or any other user here. So this channel logs will only be accessed by admins or moderators. So I have admin role in this Discord server. Admin or moderator will be able to access the tickets created by users. So now we have category, new ticket channel, logs channel, and admin role for support ticket system. Now allow a Discord ticket bot to handle this ticket system. Bot name is Tickety. Open your web browser, go to Google, search Tickety. Go to this ticket tool website. Click Invite Tickety button. Log in by using your Discord account. I was already logged in on Discord, so it is giving me option to add this server to the Tickety. So select the server. Press Continue button. These are the permissions that Tickety will have. Click Authorize button. Click Close button. As you can see, bot has been added to the server. Then go to Settings for the channel. Go to Permissions. For everyone, we disallowed sending messages. So by clicking this plus button, allow Tickety to send messages. By default, Tickety is allowed to send messages. Press Escape icon. Now go back to Tickety website and click Dashboard button. For your Discord server, press Manage button. Click Start Quick Setup button. Select admin role. We created admin role, so I will select that. Select logging channel, that is logs. Select bot language and press Next Step button. To choose free plan, click Maybe Later. Select Create First Ticket panel. For ticket style, I will select Text channel. Scroll down, press Continue button. Give the panel a name. I will use Support Tickets. Select Support Roles. I will select Admin. You can select multiple roles. If you have moderators on your server, you can select those as well. Next, choose Ticket Category. We created category on our Discord server. That was support. So I'll select that. After that, click continue button. Here you can customize the message for the user to help him understand how to create ticket. After that, scroll down and click continue button. This is the preview of the app that will be embedded in the channel that we select here. New ticket. This app will be shown here in this channel, new ticket. Click finish button. And here is the app that is published and enabled. Now go to your server and check that channel. And here is the app. It says create a ticket. So ticket system has appeared in this channel. You can now test the ticket system by clicking create ticket button. This ticket system is fully functional and users can open tickets and get support from you or server admins. User will go to this channel and click create a ticket button. A new ticket will be created and ticket link will be shared below. This is the ticket link. User will click here and he will be brought to this conversation or this newly created channel under support category. This conversation is between admins and that user who created this ticket. Here user can privately communicate with admin and share his messages. Admins can view this message and provide support accordingly. Once the support has been provided, ticket can be closed by clicking this close button. But before I close the ticket, let's go back to Tickety website. There you can see the ticket panel and open the tickets. From the left, select ticket management to see open tickets. You can view the chat here or close the ticket from here as admin. And once the support has been provided for the ticket, admins can close this ticket from here as well. When a ticket is closed, it is removed from the Discord server and from Tickety website as well. So this is how you can create a free ticket tool in your Discord server using a ticket tool website via a Discord ticket bot. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.